Hi folks, and welcome to Schick Happens. Today I'm going to bring you up to speed on what happened here at the homestead this past weekend. I guess you can call it an Ohio country life vlog. If you notice, I'm in the wood shop, and believe it or not, I finally got this mess cleaned up. And I know there's been a few of you wanting me to do a shop tour. Now I know that's not going to be up everybody's alley, but here in the upcoming week or so, I do think I'm going to film a video showing you guys around the wood shop. One thing I have been talking about quite a bit in recent videos was getting our garden in. And the weather just hasn't been there for us to do that. But I know that I'm pretty sure that our frost warnings are behind us. So the other day, I got going on the garden. Here, let me take you back to history, CJ. Just got the Walla Wallas in, my favorite onion in the world. They don't look like much now, but in a couple months, when they're the size of a softball and they taste like a sweet apple, well worth planting. Next, I'm going to put in some zucchini, about 6 plants, then some tomato plants, some pepper plants, and broccoli plants. That should have this garden wrapped up then. Alright, back to the video. And there you have it. We still have a few other things we want to get planted. I know over here on the other side, we want to do a big pumpkin patch. So if you remember in a video, I don't know, a couple months ago, I had a buddy come out. He helped me get the chicken coop cleaned out. That had been overdue by about 4 or 5 years. In this strip behind me is where I dumped all that old chicken poop and have been working it in here and there over the last couple months. And I got this little section mowed around it. I got it sprayed. One thing that we are going to put in is pumpkins. It's been about 4 years since we did a pumpkin patch. And once we get these mounded and planted, we're going to wrap this, I think, in weed barrier. And we'll see what happens by September, October. But more importantly, this past weekend I had a really good group of friends out. And they helped me get some things done around the property here, mainly getting food plots in. And we just had a good rotation going of running the Kubota and the tiller, someone coming behind with the seeder, getting everything seeded, broadcast out, and then a third person using the quad and a cultipacker to bed those seeds. Everything worked out great. We also got both of my ponds treated, and we had some plugs that needed to be planted for my CRP. Now I didn't take the camera with me all the time when this group was out here. There was just too much to get done. But I did get enough footage that I think here soon I'm going to put together a food plot video and do a little more explaining of what we do here around the property and why. I just think some of the footage I have would be better in tune to have it showcased around a food plot video than just simple clips here in a vlog. So look forward to a video down the road here soon on us putting food plots in. Now included in that good group of friends, one was my buddy Matt, who we call the Nomi. He just looks like a real tall, bearded garden gnome. He's the one that brings the lathe up. And he did bring some segmented bowls up that he turned recently, and those things look beautiful. One of the other fellas, who's a subscriber here, Senior Frog, he also come out. His name's Vic, and he's just getting into this hunting. And he doesn't live too far away, and he wants to contribute any way, shape, or form he can. He's extremely busy. He's a business owner. He has about 50 employees. And he just is going to start up a new business here this summer. So, I mean, his hands are full. But the nicest thing about that was having this successful business owner out and barking orders at him and telling him what to do for a day. That was a treat in itself. And of course, for the main group, when they were out here helping me out last Saturday, we ordered this big 2-foot pizza from a local pizza shop. But it was just the three of us that evening, myself, Matt, and Lori. and we threw some pork chops on the grill along with some fresh cut vegetables, and I think we did a big batch of asparagus to go along with it. We always cook some really nice suppers here when we got guests out. So Don, you can look forward to that when you come here this fall. I got a bat house hung too. Lori and I did notice on several of our spruce trees the dove nests that are in them. We usually have about 6 nesting pair here around the house, and she just walked over and one flew out, and I thought I'd get a little shot of the nest with some eggs. I temporarily interrupt this vlog to bring you the grandkids. They're here on a short visit. Emmy, can you go over and scoop the litter box with your fingers?
Yeah?
Yep.
I don't want
Scoop it out with your fingers.
to. No!
And then you can give it to your sister Chloe and have her play with the chunks.
How dare you?
How dare I, Gramps? I think I'm going to about wrap this video up for this Ohio Country Life vlog. I hope you enjoyed some of the updates, and I hope you look forward to a few of the videos that I got coming down the pike here pretty soon. Until next time, cheers.